Maayong gabi bay, gabi imderon. So kani siya, rubber ni siya, and kanina puti-puti ni siya. Kabawa ng rubber nga dugay na kayo nga murag nagputi-puti na nga kuan, like for example kana sa lens na naimbag rubber. So what I usually do is kuan ko brush basog tubig and ako siyang i-brush. Kani siya wala gid makuha ang puti. Akong sige brush di gid makuha ang puti ni katag no ko sabot. And then gitry na ko other things like tangan ako rubber restorer, I mean leather restorer. Then pang leather man to. So murag oy wala lagi hitabo. So I was thinking usually kung mag-suede or unsa tanan mag-oil. So kani nag-oil para mo itum siya or something mo restore ba. And mula gyapon puti-puti na gud sa sulod gud mo ni photo niya before. So after that what I did was I just did a Google search and a YouTube search, and I found out that this is the solution. It's the silicone spray, not sponsored. Wala mura ni na ko. So what you do is you spray it supposedly sa usa ka cloth pa tapulan mo ko ako lagi spray nga ri. Ano? Ako lang siyang spread. Or akong pang sa cloth, and then yeah, lahat sa baho, but the thing is it made this thing a bit darker and dili ni siya puti-puti. They call it, I don't know, rubber bloom, I don't know, but yeah, not sponsored by this. Ako na tagoon. Yeah, so it has restored this, like you can see from the before photo that it's different, and yeah, nice thing to know. Anyway, mura na siya.